Welcome to our Explore Culture channel, everyone. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of Japanese culture. Japan is not just about sushi and cherry blossoms. It has a treasure trove of cultural norms that make it truly unique. So grab your virtual passport and let's embark on this cultural journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures. First up is politeness. In Japan, politeness is an art form. Do you know how we casually say, hi? Well, in Japan, they bow, like a graceful human origami. The deeper the bow, the more respect you're showing. So, if you ever find yourself in Japan, practice those bows. Just don't overdo it and end up doing a backflip. Next, let's talk about WA, or group harmony. In Japan, teamwork is everything. It's all about finding that sweet spot between I and we. Ever been in a group project where one person does all the work? Yeah, that doesn't fly in Japan. Here, everyone pitches in to keep the peace and make the group shine. So, if you're looking to blend in, learn to say yes to group karaoke, even if you can't carry a tune. Now, on to gift giving. In Japan, presenting a gift is almost like performing a magic trick. It's all about the wrapping. Forget plain brown paper. We're talking intricate designs and attention to detail that would make even Santa jealous. And remember, never open a gift in front of the giver, unless you want to see their heart shatter like a porcelain tea set. Next is the respect for tradition. From tea ceremonies to no theater, Japan loves its traditions. It's like they're saying, hey, let's hold on to these amazing practices for centuries. You'll find that many people dress in kimono for special occasions. And if you think it's just a costume, think again. Each kimono has its own history and story, kind of like a fashion biography. Fifth on our list is cleanliness. If you're a fan of trash-free parks and spotless streets, Japan is your dream destination. It's common to see people cleaning up after themselves, even in public spaces. Forget about trash cans. People carry their garbage home. They say cleanliness is next to godliness. And in Japan, it's practically a national sport. Moving on, let's admire Japan's appreciation for nature. From cherry blossoms in spring to colorful autumn leaves, nature is woven into the fabric of Japanese culture. They celebrate the beauty of the seasons with festivals and rituals. So, if you're ever in Japan during cherry blossom season, don't just look. Get ready for an epic picnic under those pink petals. Next, we have the hierarchical society. In Japan, respect for age and position is crucial. It's like a well-structured game of Jenga. One wrong move and it all comes tumbling down. You'll find that in the workplace, seniors are treated with utmost respect, and addressing someone by their title is a must. So, if you're ever unsure of how to address someone, just start with sensei. It works in almost any situation. Now, let's chat about consensus building. Decision-making in Japan is often a group effort. It's like they're saying, why decide alone when we can have a committee? This ensures that everyone's voice is heard and no one leaves the table with hurt feelings. Just remember, patience is key. So bring a snack. You might be there a while. Almost there. Next is public behavior. In Japan, being quiet in public spaces, especially on public transport, is expected. It's a sanctuary of silence. So if you're used to chatting loudly, it might be time to practice your inner librarian. And let's not forget the art of waiting in line. It's not just a line, it's a beautifully choreographed dance. Finally, we have family values. Family is central to Japanese culture, and respect for elders is paramount. Whether it's gathering for meals or celebrating milestones, the family unit is strong. So if you're ever invited to a family dinner, bring your appetite. Japanese hospitality means you'll be fed until you can't move. And there you have it, the top 10 cultural norms in Japan. These traditions and practices add depth and richness to the Japanese way of life. Which norm surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more cultural explorations. Until next time, sayonara.